Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalia Matate. If you don't know me, and this is my first ever YouTube video, and it feels so good to say that to be a weekly vlog or a few days in my life. We'll see where this vlog will take us, but just subscribe and join this amazing part of the family.
When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. See you walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window. Wish on a star for a sign. The reason why
to do for you guys a little haul for what I got today. I got this olive oil, and then this aloe vera face body scrub, like this balloon lotion, some small wipes to wipe off my makeup, some press-ons. I'm going to put this weekend, some hair ties, a pair of lashes, lip gloss. Oh, this is too small to get tissues, lemon cream, sandwich wafers, and for dinner I got this pizza. My packages are here. Hi guys, so my packages are here. Let me start with this. Okay, wait. Oh, sorry. I don't mind my messy bedroom. Let's see there. Some Lenovo earpods. Second package. Some vitamin C skincare product. Let's see. This is so satisfying. First we have the brightening cleanser, the brightening lotion, this eye cream, and brightening essence. I don't know if you can see. Brightening essence, and then brightening spray, and then a couple of face masks. Yeah. The third package, let's open this baby up. Aloe vera skincare stuff. Cleanser, that's number 1. Gel masks, number 2. Face lotion, number 3. Face toner, number 4. Eye cream, number 5. Face serum, number 6. Lip balm, I like this. Lip balm, number 7. Lastly, this package smells like a funny record, so don't worry. Lastly, this package, it's a YouTuber kit. I'm super excited about it. Just give me a minute. This is how it looks. Let's see inside. Sijui mbona naiogopa. This is how it looks. I'm super excited. Ebona, just see that. Yeah, let me do a video on my TikTok of these things, and then I'll see you when you see me, okay? So guys, this is how the vlogger skit looks like. This is how the vlogger skit looks like. I'm so happy. You'll get tired of me, Nadi. This mean Azima. You'll get tired of me with this thing. So yeah, those are my packages. These and vitamin C skincare stuff. Yeah, and I'm grateful to have them. Imagine. So yeah, see you when you see me.
We got London on the track. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give us something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, but my heart, my mind, and my body saying, my mind, and my body is saying.
Thank you so much for watching. If you've reached this far, I know it's a short one, but I'll work on the length next time. It's just my first video, so, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one.